So brand new. I watch Bram Fam.
I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot cause I'm bulletproof.
Can you play that again?
Baby, what you wanna do?
We are going thrifting. Because all of my sneakers is washing. And guess what? Malaysia's weather is unpredictable. So it haven't dry and I don't have any other shoes because I decided to wash all the sneakers at one time. Dumb. Wear knee-high boots, you don't have to care about the socks inside. I'm gonna insert that. Knee-high boots. That's my mom. So mean. Okay, but we are going thrifting. I am excited because I've never go every thrift shop in JB because there's only like what 10 thrift shop, and we are gonna go as much as we can by 5:30 and it's 2. Okay, bye. Okay, too much. Okay, so we are now in the first Rewear, Recycle, Reuse Boutique by Momo Love Concept. She's technically in class, you know. This is cute. So the dresses, one piece is 25 and the shorts, pants and like anything short is 50. That is affordable. So I'm gonna try on some pieces. Seriously. So far we have 3 and one is falling out of the hanger. Let's go and try. Tingo is also cute. Okay, this makes me feel like I'm going to the farm. But I like the denim work on it. Like it has belt. Oh my god, did I do something? Okay, let's pretend that never happened. I'm gonna change to the next outfit. Hopes for this dress, but the dress is a straight cut and it's not flattering on my body at all. That's a very sad thing about me. I like to go toilet at hotels. So, because there they will keep clean. Other place, to the next place. 16 minutes. That's fine, I think. That's fine. So next is King Outlet. Let's go. We are in a so-called King Outlet in JB, and this is like the real bundle. When I say the real bundle, let me show you. I meant by a real bundle, like she's like so good. Would you try that on? I don't have the height for it. That is so short. But I swear that would be a very good oh my god, it even has the oh, so 2005, 6, 7. Okay, please no. Kim Kardashian. Oh, she will slay. She will definitely slay that. And now we have this whole place and more to look at. I don't know where to start. Let's just start. Kim Kardashian, you started the trend very late. There's already this in a thrift store. I saw something. Let's see how much is this. No way, that's 300.
Even though it's old, it's still Louis Vuitton, my darling.
Yeah, it's 300. No, I mean no way it's 300. They even have underwear. Wallah. another big fail. We saw underwears. That was a success. But it was fail. I saw the LV bag and unfortunately they don't have the box. They don't have the authenticity card, and also they don't have the handle.
The handle just came apart.
Yeah, so not worth 300. So let's go to the real thrift store, which is Jalan Japan. How much is this?
As big as my face.
It's 500. It's not worth it at all.
But still, I mean, you can wear this for Valentine's Day.
No, hell nah. Who's my Valentine?
Oh, wait, I found.
Yeah, it's her birthday. Happy birthday to Anisha. Happy birthday to me. To me too. To go Japan for this, they have the Japan clients here. They have Japanese bag design. I mean, this is very modern already. They have everything. Oh, they even have kimono. Okay, yeah, there's kimono there. There's like tons and tons and tons of kimonos. Yeah. Yeah, and where is the kairi? Nope, doesn't sound good. Nope. I guess you just don't know how to play.
Excuse me, I have a guitar at home. Those expensive
Scarves.
Yeah. Designs, you know.
I'm gonna steal it. I'm gonna steal it.
And then you like.
Yeah, I saw that on Shein for 15 ringgit.
And this is 3 ringgit.
Yeah, totally getting that. It's going for me. I mean, red looks good on me, but this looks like I'm going to Gurdwara.
Kinda.
Temple.
Yeah. But I wanna like laptop bag,
Found a hummus. Tell me that doesn't look like a hummus bag. Puffer bag is everywhere. For real, hummus bag dupe everywhere in the store. Good try, good try. Another one more hummus bag. Like a fake ass hummus.
oh my god, the color.
Yeah, hummus dupe. Bye. This is bye. Bye. For real, bye. Like the bag that I wear for Yahya Awal. The green color. That's such a throwback. Y'all will like tease me because of that bag.
No, for real. I remember that bag. That green color, like it was neon green.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
Her bag would be like so.
A showstopper.
Yeah.
Because I'll open my bag like that and not like that. Always remember, after you go thrifting, sanitize your hand. Don't do like her. She's eating without sanitizing and washing her hand. At least I'm eating alcohol, not used dead cells. I'm so mean. By the way, you know whose sanitizer is this? Natasha's. Never meet me because I'm gonna keep one of your thing. But eating alcohol is like killing yourself, but I'm so hungry.
Hi guys, now we are at Diamond Bowl.
That's all you say? I
Yeah.
asked you to start the vlog. and
No,
that's all
I'm
you say?
taking over. Let's go.
I don't care how long it takes, as long as I'm with you. Kaka. So damn keras eh. Fun. Yeah. Oh my god, it's damn smelly. Okay, that was fun.
Very fun.
And he
Malah
won.
dia menang.
Yeah, now we are rushing to send this fella to Muay Thai, because he can never not go. If you guys get what I mean. Okay, bye. Okay, so now we are at Toppen because this girl decided
shopping Lego.
Yeah, because she decided to be the child, and I'm her mommy. Oh, little girl. Oh, Shella Kutti. Yeah, is that fast? I feel like that was long.
That was fast.
That was so much fun. My stomach hurt. I needed to pee so bad.
You know, that's why it's called relief.
Yeah, please don't control your pee because it might affect your bladder. Love yourself always. Self-care.
Bring yourself out on dates. Go solo dates. Go out. Travel.
Oh, I can never.
Eat. Like, spend your money on food. Don't spend on money on anything else.
Hey, buy yourself expensive things.
No. You're not gonna take those to the grave.
I'm taking it. You are better putting all of this into my grave.
Definitely not. I'm gonna take half. Sharika's gonna take half.
You see how I'm gonna lock everything in a
And then
safe
the balance,
and die.
I mean not half lah. We'll take some. Sharika will take some. And the balance we'll give to her daughter if she has one.
Oh, I'm gonna have one. Not one, two. Oh, Jesus Christ, help me. She's glowing looking at this. I cannot relate. Attentive that she puts in choosing these. I only put that when I choose my clothes. No joke. But this is cute.
Ooh, this is cute though.
Yeah, can give your Valentine that is not exist. Sneakers.
Careful lah, don't break it.
Okay. I understand you're fragile.
Yang ni apa? This one?
Oh my god, I hate pink. Okay, I'm not coming back to you. Bye. But why did that look so cute?
Which one?
There's no black and white. Oh, brown.
This is the most nearest to the brown.
Guys, she influenced me for the first time. She influenced me. I'm getting this.
My time to take over. Okay, so where do you? So, Khesyinii is very busy trying clothes. And I'm in front of the camera. Wait, what do we do? I can't find anything that fits me though. The struggles of being an excess. Let's go. Lego. And we are back for another bathroom stop. I think this is the fourth bathroom stop of the day.
in 6 hours
Yeah.
because I chucked 2 liters of water.
You have not finished the 2 liters yet.
Okay, another 3 cups of water. I am doing review on myself to test if my skin can get better only by drinking water because your bitch doesn't drink water.
Let's go. Let's go eat some biryani. Yum yum. It's biryani time.
Yeah, let's eat because after all of that drifting shit that we did and it was unsuccessful, it's time to eat. Let's go. Vanga friends, சாப்பிடலாம். I want cauliflower. My mood when I want to eat is the best. So if you guys want to like make me in a good mood, bring me food. But don't bring me heavy. I cannot eat finish.
This is the same person said bring me food.
Yeah. But bring me quarter of what people eat.
How was Muay Thai?
BJJ lah today.
How full are you?
Very full. Bloated actually.
That says it out.
Yep.
How was the food?
Oh, the food was good though.
And I'm so full, all I can think about is going to sleep. But no, we have to go back and do some work. And then I'll sleep.
Watch horror movie.